Come for a tour round the site of Camping Rodas in Roses with me and Trixie for our early morning walk. I thought I'd start off by showing you the entrance into the campsite, particularly when you're towing a twin axle caravan. I always think it's quite useful to see the entrance roads in. As you can see, it's the first right from the roundabout, and you follow this road all the way down, and then you see Camping Rodas on your left hand side. It's definitely not like the nicest entrance in. As you can see, there's a derelict shop to the right hand side, but once you turn into the campsite, it really is a lovely sight. There was always a security guard on the campsite every night until the early hours of the morning, so you always felt pretty safe. As you turn in, you can see there's a reception to the right hand side. It is a two-way road, so it can be quite tight, and there's not a lot of space for you to pull in with your caravan. And there's also bike hire there to the right in the swimming pool. So this is the reception where you check in, and just to the left the road leads down to, I believe, some wasteland, and then down to the right you follow that road into the town centre. You can purchase Wi-Fi access from reception, and just at the back of reception is the bar area selling ice creams, and in the mornings you can pick up your coffees, pastries and breads for the day. Here are some of the bikes you can hire from reception at the site. As it was peak season, lots of the bikes have been hired out for the day.
So this is like the splash pool for the children, and then over here is the main pool. It's a good size. Got some little fountains here. A little garden bit there where they put out more sun lounges, and then that's the bar and restaurant. Lovely view of the mountains. Robot's in there at the moment cleaning it. a smaller toilet block, but just as nice and very clean. We've even got a baby bath here. And then there's a cut through just through here. Trixie's chilling out on her cool mat. So the hubby and the daughter have gone to the water park today, so I have had a quick tidy up of the caravan and a clean, changing the sheets and making it all fresh, as we've got 2 more nights here and then we move on to our next stop. Sorry, that's the aircon you can hear. I still have that little fan just by where I sleep, as the we doesn't like to have the aircon on too much at night, but it's been really nice and cool, especially for the dog, keeping her cool. Her water bowl's there, and a handy little tidy thing from Shein is really handy to keep her lead in, and any toys that we can easily get to hand. So take a look at it now, because it won't stay this tidy for very long, but we'll do our best. Everything's been put away and it feels so much better. Now to tidy up outside and do some washing. It's the day of caravan jobs. And I also just wanted to let you know that the Shein covers are still doing really well. The odd band does pop out every so often, but because I bought like 100 of them, I've not needed to buy any more. But they do look so good still, and I'm really pleased with them. Go check out my video if you're wanting to purchase some and know the hack of how I fitted them as well. And again, you can always take them off and wash them and then pop them back on again. But still going strong and looking really good. So when you're away for a month, you do get quite a lot of washing. So I bought this Caravan washing machine second hand, and you literally put your detergent in, fill it with water, and then put it on to wash. I put it on for 15 minutes, then drain the water, and then rinse it, and then you can also then spin it in here, and it just helps keep on top of all that washing, especially being a family and with a daughter who literally wears something once and puts it straight in the wash, to help keep on top of all the washing, and meaning that we're not carrying around a load of dirty washing. This has been brilliant, and I definitely recommend it. You can get them from Go Outdoors, but also have a look on Facebook Marketplace, as they are brilliant.
Come with us as we go for a walk into the town of Roses, which is only short 10-minute walk to the seafront, and then along the front where there's lots of bars and restaurants. We're hoping to head towards the marina today, where we can take some shade in some of the narrow streets just off from the seafront. As you head back from the beachfront in Roses, you come to the main road leading into the town, where you will see the Citadella, which was built in the 16th century by the Spanish to defend the town from pirates and invasions. The fortress covers over 20,000 square metres and is surrounded by a series of defensive walls. The Citadella also houses a museum located inside the fortress. It's filled with exhibits that cover the history of Roses and the Citadella itself. Today, the Citadella is not just a historical monument, it's also a cultural hub for the town. It's used for events, exhibitions and concerts throughout the year, bringing the community together and bringing the spirit of this ancient site alive.
There's the marina over in the distance, centre of Rosas. Beach bars along the front, and then the Citadella.
Most days we would stop for a drink at mini golf greens along the front and enjoy a round of mini golf in the evening.
So here we are at the mini golf, which is open till 10 o'clock at night, having lots of fun. We've got turtles and fish in the water. We've got a lovely bar at the front as well, looking out to sea.
It would take us about 10 or 15 minutes to then walk back to the campsite from the town. Good morning everybody, we're just packing up the caravan. It's about 7:30 this morning. Trixie woke us up, which was very good of her. Also it means it's a lot cooler as we just finish off our final bits to pack up. As we've had a fantastic couple of weeks here in the Bay of Roses, it's time for us to move on now to our next stop. Join us next time as we drive from Spain to the Bay of Saint-Tropez. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Many thanks for watching and take care.